Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the I Eat Bricks Yatta skin, a highly sought-after cosmetic in Dandy's world. This unique item was a popular choice in a community poll, standing out from other options. Unlike the limited-time free April Fool's skin, this particular Yatta skin is obtained through a specific in-game method, requiring you to gather a special resource to add it to your collection. To get the I Eat Bricks Yatta skin, you must purchase it directly using Ichor, a special in-game currency within Dandy's world. This means it's not unlocked via a code or a specific event, but rather through consistent gameplay. You'll need to focus on accumulating enough Ichor by playing the game and completing various activities to make this unique skin yours. To earn Ichor efficiently and quickly acquire the I Eat Bricks skin, make sure to play Dandy's world regularly and complete any available daily tasks or challenges. Always keep an eye out for special in-game events, as these often provide generous bonus Ichor rewards. Additionally, remember to check the in-game shop frequently to confirm the I Eat Bricks skin is currently available for purchase. Just to recap, the I Eat Bricks Yatta skin was a highly requested runner-up from a community poll, making it a special item. Its acquisition relies solely on earning and spending Ichor within the game, distinguishing it from other limited-time code skins. This means dedication to gameplay is key. Also, for more great finds and deals, including that lifetime warranty on Darn Tough socks, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.